up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the weekend. For today's video, this is the episode 3 of the home tour. Welcome to my guest bathroom. So here's the other guest bathroom on the second floor of my house, and this is the latest bathroom that I just did. It's very small, but it's really cozy. So here's the vanity cabinet. I painted it light gray, and I painted the handles black to matches my makeup mirror and some of my toilet accessories, like my towel bar over there. And here is another flooring that I did, same as the other bathroom. It's a vinyl peel and stick that I got from Lowe's. Very affordable price, and it cost 99 cents each. And this bathroom rug is from Target. I got it from set. I forgot how much it is. I got it from a long time ago. So here is the wood that I got from the mountain. It's free. And when we did a photo shoot from that mountain, I saw these sticks laying on there, so I picked them up. And it's really good for home decor, especially if you buy this kind of wood. It's very expensive. So I got another one here, and I did macrame. This is another piece of wood that I got from the mountain as well, and I created this macrame for the decoration. And then I have more, and I hang it on the ceiling. So that's how I put it up there. This is how the corner looks like. That. And I have more here that I put in on the clear vase. I think it's really cool. So those kind of stuff that I'm getting on random places for free, that I thought is a really good idea to make a very cute decoration around my house. Let me know if you guys liked it. And then this cute little artwork is from Target. I got it on sale. I believe it's $9 each. And then these artificial vines from Amazon. You guys can get it a set. I think this is plenty enough. For $10 you got like at least 5 to 10 pieces. And then I created these piece of wood that I got from previous project, and I stained it to light walnut. I used a stain from my old job, and my friend created that stain for me, so that's a free I didn't pay for it again. And then, alright, see this shower curtain is another Target. It's affordable price. It's not on sale, but it's really cute, so I bought it. With a little tassel on the side. And then the bottom part is like white tassel and gray. It's really cute because it really matches the bathroom. Well, actually I got this curtain long time ago. Yeah, it's not just in the recent bathroom makeover. So in our sinks we have this little rocky thing like a spa. So I have plenty of those before, but I took some out, so I put it over here. It was full of rocks before, but so I got these rocks from a Dollar Tree. It's a big bag of rock for $1. It's pretty cute. What else? Okay, so shower area. I don't know if you guys see what I see, but my shower area was if you guys see the before and after video, my tile is a marble black tile, so I painted it white. Even the tub, I refinished the tub to white color. And I don't know if you guys see what I see, but the walls right now is only 2 coats. I mean, at least some of it. This is 2 coats. I believe this is 1 coat, and the other side is 2 coats. So I didn't repainted it because I thought it was cool. I don't know if you guys like it the way I like them. My wall tiles right now is like a washed white paint. It's like rustic white or something like that. That's why you guys can see those dark spots that needs to be coated more, but I chooses not to because I think it's cool. So I leave it as is, even though I ordered another kit paint for this shower tile. I decided not to because I really like how it looks right now. It's like a rustic farmhouse inspired or something, you can call it. So maybe I was thinking for another project to do the diamond paint here. If you guys remember the video that I painted the floor tiles and I added these diamond shape on the corners, on the edges. So let's see. Oops. So here's the wall. It's very fine white already because this has at least 2 coats in it, versus this one right here is still has those black spots, but it is really cute. I don't know if you guys like how the way I like them. So I don't know if you guys know, but I saw it on the videos. You see this round thingy over here? They said that because I don't have one. But if you guys have this bigger version of this one, they put it over here like that. So all you gotta do is just squeeze them, pour it under. Do you guys know about that? Because I just know recently. But let me see this one. Oh, doesn't fit. But yeah, you put it upside down and it's just like that. That's what they said, the purpose of that hole over there. You guys try that. So that's my shower. And let's see a little close up on this tub. So I refinished this tub and it's crazy. Okay, I mean, it's so much better than the old tub. I don't need to buy a new one so far. It looks more cleaner. I couldn't believe I made this. I was so scared that I'm gonna fail to refinish my tub, but I believe it was a success. So that's my shower. And then this is the favorite. Oops. Another floss. The hinges are still white, but that's fine. This is my door. I painted it black, darker than this cabinet. So here's what it looks like. I got this bamboo side table from Target. This is it's really hard to get this on stock, so I've been waiting on the online market to get this available and ship it to me right away. So finally I scored one, and this is cost me $60. So oof. But look how pretty it is. Got this massager, and I just had this idea to put all the soaps in this clear jar or vase and put them all in there. So I think it's cute, I guess. And I put all my paper towels over here, or I mean toilet papers over here in the basket. So here it is. guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels for more videos. Please visit my website lezimadesignsservice.com for more, and this is Lezima transforming homes.